Atlanta freight train for the first of a two-game series against the Miami Mavericks in Miami, Florida. Novak against SIHL. One with the Miami Mavericks pass now. He'll shoot, he missed the net. A nice shot there, but just wide bit of a few inches. Shots at rebound, they score. Miami takes a 1-0 lead. Smash now the defenseman. Not a good start for Atlanta here tonight. Bit of a lace, takes it away, Marino in the corner, no. Austin Matthews comes out for the corner, out to the front with a shot, they score! Freight train tied the game at 1 on a 4-on-4, Elias Leno. Some good passing and improvement from the first half of this period. And Atlanta ties the game at 1. Great passing in the offensive zone there, really nicely done. And they're putting the best foot forward here. Novak took it away. Tommy Novak enters his zone back in the near wall. Novak there in the corner. Kane steps in. Shot. Somehow that's in the net. They score. And the Mavericks take a 2-1 lead. Evander Kane. That feels like it shouldn't have gone through. What I'm noticing here is Durant, the custom goalie, which is cool. We have custom goalies at both ends. Richard Nieto, maybe he's got a chance here. Short-handed, Matt Nieto down to 5 seconds, maybe to go on short. Nieto still at Gagne, and he scores! Sam Gagne! Somehow he did it with just seconds to go on the power play. The freight train tied the game at 2. It's 4th in the air, short, ended. Just seconds left. 3 to be exact. And the puck is in the back of the Miami net to tie this game at 2 apiece. It's the Battle of the Deep South after all. Mavericks and the Atlanta freight train. Okay, Battle Georgia, which you will not be seeing, unfortunately. At least not as of this kickoff currently. Right in front there, not good save by the goaltender, Emilio Durant. Here comes saving play over the line. Okay, his block shot there. Matt Dumba. No matter how good the shot is, if you don't hit the net, it ain't going in. That shot. Save! It's out of play! What a save there by Jeff Cooper. Great song. The scenarios are going with a bit of room. Zuccarello and Harris. Open eyes to spawn. There's a hit behind the play. He's got to keep going. Just gotta continue to play. They score. Dylan Gunther for 3-2. Mavericks. 6th of the season. He walked in and ripped it. Passed around. Can't really say much. Tough one. That is a tough one. Tough shot and a save. Here comes Carcone. Empty net for the freight train. Carcone empty net. He's got it. Or 2 Mavericks. Michael Carcone seals the deal. They'll take game 1. He's a lead 4-2. Tilly. Matthews violates seconds. So a 4-2 win. And what a save! The Golden Corner still just trying to get anything they can. Final seconds. That'll be a 4-2 Mavericks win over the freight train.